Hi friends, this is Chethurved, a UPSC aspirant. I came here to share a bit of information regarding my experience in the Analog IAS Institute past 1 year. So, many students have a dilemma in preparing for the UPSC preparation, from where to start, how to start and when to start. So, this institute give me a clarity about my strategy, how to prepare for the examination, like is exactly where the UPSC is the end. So, I recommend this institute because of the following advantages, which is I have not seen in many other institutions. Like in our institute, we have a well experienced faculties, and the teaching also is a bit different from the others. Like in a manner where we can have a friendly interactions with the teachers, and also with supporting every student in the class, that each and every student can properly understand the subject, so that it's a very kind of interaction between the teachers and students. And one more thing is that we have a daily test base, like the APPSC test, where we have the subjective and objective tests, so that daily we are practicing so many questions, where in the end of that we have practicing bulk of questions, so that in the UPSC we are in a correct way to crack the questions. And also we have a very advantageous, we have a program called ASTRA, where our institute is providing a scholarship test for the students, where they can avail a maximum scholarship of 50%, so that it can be helpful for the students, those who can be not affordable to have the coaching institute, so that this can be a boost for the people who are not in the financially good. So that this is a program where I think this is the best program the institute is conducting. So I think this year is also our institute is going to conduct this ASTRA 2020. So friends, please write the test and avail the scholarship. Thank you. All the best for your future.